Hello friends, today I am showing you the communication with Delta PLC. Here we have a PC and first we have to open the software WPL soft and make a program and then run this program in Delta PLC. I can show you how you can do this. Here we can select our PLC model and then click OK. Then a blank page is open. Here we can make our program first and then upload this in PLC, Delta PLC. Here we are going to make a program in which there are 4 inputs and 3 outputs. In this, if we can press first button, then nothing will happen, and if we can press any 2 buttons, then first output will on. If we can press any 3 button, then our second output will on and first will off. And if we can press all 4 buttons, then our third output will on, and at once only one output will on. So here we are going to make this program and then we can upload this program in PLC, Delta PLC, and show you that how it's work. Here this can take us a few times because the program is very lengthy, so you can wait and watch how this make. Here we are connected all the NO switches in parallelly to each other. This is our first condition for first output. Our first condition is completed. For here we are making second condition. Second condition is that when we can on any 3 buttons, then our second output will on. So we can make the second condition. We can take 3 NO switches in parallelly, connect 3 NO switches in series and then connected in parallel direction according to their conditions. We can connect it all in parallel. Here our second condition will completed, and that after second condition we can make the third condition. Third condition is very easy. Only we can connect all the fold the switches in series that you can see, and then we can connect a load. Here this is our third condition. Third condition is that when we can press all 4 switches simultaneously, then the output third will on, and for at once only one output will on, we can connected the NC of the other output. This will prevents to run other at once time. Here the program is coming, and then we can compile this program. Our program is compiled successfully. Okay, then we can select the PLC model and then upload this in the PLC. Here we can program uploaded successfully. We can go online and check that this is work or not. Here is our PLC. You can show. You can see here that I am going to press first switch, nothing will happen. If we can press any 2 switches, then you can see the output on any 2 switches. If I can press, then output first will on any switches. you can see. If I can press any 3 switches, then other output will on. You can see here that I can press only 2, but my hand is not reaches to other switch. Here you can see third output will on. So like this system will work. You can also see your input and outputs on PLC shows as red dot. Thanks for watching.